Okay, today is day number 7, and today we're going to talk about your marketing on our unscripted event here and your unique selling proposition. We've done several classes over the last year where we talked about your unique selling proposition, and I uploaded on our Facebook page for Exit Realty agents. I uploaded how to build your unique selling proposition. This video is not a class, a dictatorial on how to do that, but it's all right there to show you how to build your unique selling proposition. So let's open up and see if we can share our screen. Let me go right here. And I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to start share screen. Let me take this one off. And here we go. Okay, so your 2023 business plan, continuing. Yesterday, we worked on prospecting activities that you need to put into your business, that you need to consider putting into your business. And then we looked at some prospecting ideas. That's all in your printout that you have, your booklet that you have. Today, we're looking at the agent marketing plan, and this kind of sets up your marketing plan in a different way than we talked about earlier when we talked about how to build a business plan based on values and commitment, accountability, and so forth. Today, and I actually, let me just go back, built one on the SMART, using the SMART technique, which I recommend you still do. This one will help you in another way. It's just laid out different, so it looks different than what we did before. Before we do that, let's talk about your unique selling proposition. What differentiates you from everyone else? Remember, our goal is to be different than everyone else. If you're the same as everyone, people are not going to consider you for the job. It's just that simple. Okay, so build your unique selling proposition before moving forward. And then here's a sample of a marketing plan. It's a little different than the one I did a couple days ago. This geographic farm is the plan, and it gives a breakdown based on marketing plan, networking plan, follow-up plan, nurturing plan, and your goal for transactions. So when you build this, you'll build it in the same way. It's just laid up differently. So with the marketing plan for doing a geographic farm, doesn't give the number, but for a geographic farm, 24 open houses, that's 2 a month, 12 bulk mailers, that's just regular mail, targeted Facebook videos monthly. So that is the marketing plan. Your networking plan is talking to people. So your annual community event booth, for example, PTA board meetings, remember, said how important it is to be part of your community, to volunteer to be on boards and committees. Committee business association meetings. Your follow-up plan, well, it's the same as your marketing. This is what you're going to do. You're going to do 24 open houses, and then you're going to build a seller follow-up plan and a buyer follow-up plan. Nurturing, how do you nurture these leads? Well, you have an annual community event booth. Remember, mine was an ice cream social in the neighborhood. And so here is where you talk about your Facebook seller nurturing plan and Facebook buyer nurturing plan. And then your prospecting plan, here it is, 3 days a week. Purchase realtor.com leads if that's what you think you should do. I just want you to know from my standpoint, Zillow and realtor.com leads aren't really necessary if you do the right work on the ground. And so this is a sample geographic farm. If we go down, you're going to have, and you do have in your materials, a couple others. Remember, I mentioned that I believe you should have 2, 3, 4 different kinds of systems in your business to be successful. So that's our video for today. Pretty simple. And tomorrow is day number 8, and we're going to touch on how many days you need to be working, and we'll look at your calendar, the first part of your calendar tomorrow. So have a good day. Get working on this. Remember, this is due by December 31st, so we can get it to Exit Southeast, and we'll talk to you soon.